So just got a little bit more little things to get accomplished, little things to get done, and techniques to get better at it, things like that.
What can you take from a guy like Chris? What did you learn from him? What did you pass on to you?
Well, I learned a lot from Chris. He basically just how to play big in the middle. You know what I mean? Just be that dog, and you know what I'm saying? So I learned a lot from him.
You say play big. I mean, that means obviously spreading out and occupying a lot of bodies, right?
Well, yeah.
Does it help you at all? I mean, the attention's on the ends this year. Chris, obviously, what he accomplished in Julian's improving commodity. I mean, does that allow you to kind of lay low, so to speak?
Not really. I think every spot in the D-line is a big spot to play. So even though there are two big guys, two great players on the outside, we still got to do our part in the middle just so the defense could come together. If we're not in the middle doing our part, then the defense will work. You know what I mean? Just like if they're not doing their part on the outside, the defense will work. So I think that's a big part. Like it helps us out a lot, but we still got to do our part in the middle.